Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from an Amazon store called Locs Beauty. It is their 20-inch gray synthetic locks with curly ends. The hair is about $34 and it comes with 6 packs of hair, and in each pack is 24 locks. So this is just another close-up of the locks. It's like gray with little black streaks throughout, and these are the curly ends. The hair also comes with a crochet hook and some hair jewelry. And I've already braided my hair for this style. I did individual braids, and I used this Shine Jam on my roots, and I use this Cream of Nature argan oil throughout the rest of my braids. And I have about 70 individual braids in my head, so I'm expecting to use about 3 packs of hair. So I'm a little more than halfway done my hair. I want to show you what it's looking like right now. I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about this color. It's different. I think it looks alright. I guess I'll see when I'm actually finished how I really feel about it. But let me show you an example of how I crochet the hair in. So I take the braid I'm working on, which is this one. I take the lock, I open it. These are pretty easy to open the loop. I put my finger or 2 fingers through, put one in for now. I take the crochet hook, I insert the crochet hook underneath the start of the braid like so. Then I hook the lock onto the crochet hook and I pull it through. And then I open it up with 1 or 2 fingers like so, middle finger and thumb. I put the lock in the braid through like that. Then I pull it to tighten it like so. So now it's looking like that. I'm going to take the crochet hook, start a couple inches down from the lock, and insert the hook through the center, trying my best to keep it in the center of the lock, going through all the way to the top, and then I push it through. I take the braid, insert it towards the middle or end of the braid, and then I just pull it through like so. And I'm just twisting it to make sure that as much as the braid is in the lock, and it is. So now I'm going to do that step again. Insert, going up, going and I inserted it a little below the length of the braid so that I could get all of the braid into the lock this second time. I'm just going to repeat that step again and pull through like so. So now the whole braid should be inside the lock. And these are fairly easy to put the braids inside the lock. These locks come apart a little easier, they're not too tight. And one thing though is the curls at the end, they have a lot of split ends. If I can get the camera to focus. See that? It's okay though. I'm just wondering how these will hold up after a while. But we'll see. So I just finished my hair. I used 3 packs and I have 3 packs left. So I have enough to do this hairstyle again. Let me show you what it looks like. I just put a little hair drawer in. Can you see that? Or is the light too bright? And I put a little on this side too. Nothing crazy. This one came with the hair. The rest of them are ones I already had. They kind of just blend in. They're silver. Anyway, the hair looks nice. It's definitely something different. The curls look alright. I'm just worried they may get a little frizzy, but we'll see. If anyone knows something to put on synthetic curls so they don't frizz up as much, please let me know. Anyway, yeah, I like the hair. I think it's cute. Let me know what you guys think of this hair, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me. Wig videos, locks videos, braid videos, natural hairstyles, anything. And thanks for watching.